Again, let's read. Replace words in bold type with the adjectives given below so that the sentences are opposite in meaning. See over here, some of the words are given in the box. Stormy, heavy, hot, ancient and idle. And the words are there. It was a calm night when the doorbell rang. You have to write opposite of calm. The officers were busy all day. I find modern history very interesting. I do not like to drink cold tea. We slept all afternoon after a light meal. So you have to make use of the opposite words to replace these words in the given in the bold. So calm will become stormy, busy will become idle, modern will become ancient, yes, and cold, hot and light meal will become heavy meal. Turn your pages. Over here, many adjectives, exercise 4. Many adjectives are formed by adding the letter Y to the noun. For example, greed will become greedy, dust will become dusty. Form adjectives from these nouns. Okay, they have given some words over here. You have to form adjectives by adding Y. Health will become healthy, rock will become rocky, cloud will become cloudy, storm will become stormy. Okay, sun will become sunny, crust will become crusty, thirst, thirsty, grass, grassy, sleep, sleepy, rain, rainy. Now fill in the blanks with the adjectives you have formed above. You have to fill in these sentences with the adjectives that you have made over here. So, see over here the first one. The baby was fat and dash. The baby was fat and healthy. Although it was sunny in the morning, it suddenly became cloudy. The river bank was full of grass. It was a dash bank. It was a dash bank. What will it be over here? Sunny, no clouds, stormy, crusty, dusty. Let's come back later on. During the monsoons, we have dash weather. What sort of weather we have during the monsoons? What sort of weather do we have? Rainy weather, no it's not. Stormy, no. Stormy is not there. Cloudy, yes, we have cloudy. The boy was full of sleep. He was a sleepy boy. Okay? So this is the way you need to do the exercises. Alright? Then we come to exercise 5 over here. See, some words become adjective after you add full. Like help. With help, if you add the word F-U-L, full, it will become healthful. To power, P-O-W-E-R, power, you add full, it will become powerful. Similarly, words are given below like truth, play, skill, forget, care. You have to fill these words. You have to add full, F-U-L, to these words and you make it truthful, playful, skillful, etc. Then you have to fill up the blanks over here given below with the words that you have already made on top. The following nouns change to adjectives. See, the nouns wool, wool will become woolen, haste, hasty, love, lovely, music, musical, mechanic, mechanical, king, kingly, greed, greedy, center, central, affection, affectionate, danger, dangerous, expense, expensive, gold, golden, courage, courageous. Then you have exercise 6. Choose and write the correct adjectives given in the brackets. In the bracket, an option is given. The first one, the cardigan was made of wool. It was a golden / woolen cardigan. So you have to choose the correct word. What is going to be the correct word? It is a woolen cardigan. It cannot be golden. The path was full of danger. It was a dangerous / central path. If it is full of danger, then it is obviously going to be dangerous. So on and so forth, you have to do the exercises. Then you come to exercise 7. Choose and write the correct adjectives to describe each of the following. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quality. What kind? It tells you what kind. A dash dog. A faithful / cunning. So you have to write what sort of dog is that. It is a faithful dog. A dash lion, clever or brave. You have to put in the choice over there. What it will show you the adjectives of quality. Lions are known for their bravery. So you will write a brave lion. A dash meal. A beautiful meal, a tasty meal. You know it will be tasty meal. So that way you have to write. The following words are possessive adjectives. They show possession. Singular. Your, my, his, her, its. Plural. Your, our, and their. Then we come to exercise 8. Underline the possessive adjective in each sentence. You have to do this. Okay? Just underline the possessive adjectives in each sentence. This is your book. So, your. That is my house. Mine. And so on and so forth. So, you do the exercises, children. Then we come to exercise 9. There are plenty of exercises given over here to you. You have to go through the exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjectives. You have to write that. Exercise 10. Be careful not to confuse its and it''s. Its. Its, its. Its means belonging to it. And it''s means it is. So its means belonging to it. And it''s means it is. And it has a letter missing in the word. Then we come to exercise 11. Be careful not to confuse there and there. THERE there and THEIR there. There, THERE there show direction, while THEIR show belonging to them. So these two things, children, don't get confused and go through it very carefully. One was its, which means belonging to it, and it''s, which means it is. There, THERE there, which shows direction, while THEIR, it shows belonging to them. Then we come to adjectives and number. How many? We use numbers as adjective. 1, 3, first, dozen, etc. Over here, choose exercise 12. Choose and write the adjective which shows number. I bought dash dresses. Long /3. So you will obviously put 3 because you are showing number. Exercise 13. Choose and write the adjectives which show quantity. Quantity is how much. The beggar was given dash food. Some food / tasty food. So, some is going to show us the quantity. I have dash homework to do. Much and difficult. Those two are the options. So, obviously, it will be much. We use colors as adjectives. The sky is blue, we said, right? It's a red car. Red. So, these colors, it shows adjective. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate adjective. Cinderella wore a dash gown to the princess's ball. You can use any color that Cinderella wore to the ball. The leaves are green while the sky is blue. Okay, so this is the way you have to do it. Then you have the oral exercise. Rearrange the adjectives in each sentence as they are called out. A tattered, torn and black umbrella. A dark, tall and handsome stranger. A black, huge, sickly dog. And shabby, brown and old coat. You have to rearrange the adjectives in each sentence as they are called out. So children, you go through the exercise.